Done.
You may be seated if the dignitaries can kindly take their seats.
Hi guys, we are there in which college?
St. Paul College.
St. Paul College.
St. Paul College.
Have a glip. Take a glip something.
Huh?
Glips.
What is this?
Glip.
A clip. Oh.
Hi, I am Reddy. She is Pooja. Hide in the face painting. I know this is a joy. In some people, they will joy, they will happy, but in outside, they will show so crying and
Who do you think is going to win?
prizes coming or not, that is not important.
Except for you. Obviously, yours is the best, but except for you, who you think is going to win?
I don't know.
Just guess. Like, which one do you like the most?
I like lost.
This one.
Yeah.
You should have sit here only.
Hi guys. Look at this cheap non-veg here.
Non-veg? They have non-veg?
Because this is Christian college, right?
So?
In Christian college, everyone put non-veg.
Understood.
ಇದು ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡು.
Actually, use the I don't have a food card.
Offense. Wow.
At the end, me only. Yeah, exactly. Prepare it all for yourself. In the morning. Like, I woke up at 6.
ಅಂಗಡಿಯಿಂದ ಇಸ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಫುಲ್ ಶಾಪ್ ಟೈಪ್
No, it's literally very saggy. Or else, if it would have been like hot, much better. One question. That after seeing this college, by comparing to our college, which one do you like the most? Obviously, because you saw the psychology lab and canteen.
Yeah.
But the vibe is good.
I like both.
Bro. No, to be honest, yeah. Even if it's small, but the vibe is good. I like the vibe. The mini, you know, the mini forest. The mini forest I like.
I like the forest.
Yeah, and this thing, the whole greenery it has.
Why
In front of the college.
Both college means
Why?
in
Because
both
you are Christian? No.
basically I'm a Sanskrit student, you know.
Oh, you know Sanskrit?
Yeah, I'm 7 years I studied Sanskrit.
Bro, so you know Sanskrit?
Yeah, I know Sanskrit.
I think if you have studied 7 years, then you know more than me. Because I have studied like five also no, 4 years, 4 or 3. I think the house of the principal.
No, this is a father.
Oh, huh?
Father.
The father is only the principal, right?
Yeah.
In my school also. They used to have
They will give for father.
The father has a separate room, a separate building, mansion, which is very beautiful, to be honest. It's written Society of St. Paul. Seems good. We actually came to write in the memory wall, or the memory wall is
Sleeping.
sleeping.
Exactly. It's not there.
There's nothing. Actually, there's nothing. This is Christ College, a branch of Christ University. They are side by side. That is Christ, this is Paul, and this is us. It's I don't know what you say. It's jackfruit.
Yeah.
See, we call it as katthal. You know, katthal. We call it as katthal.
I forgot my Tamil also.
It's jackfruit, right?
Yeah, jackfruit.
So big, bro. I want to take it home. Make food of it.
I can climb, but this college principal will climb for me my head.
So yeah. How you feel? I'm here exploring a lot. It's first time in 2 years I'm coming to any other college. I feel good, so I think it's good to explore. And I don't know about murder mystery, if I'm going to win or not, but it's good. Done. Cut. What do you think it is? It's caution. Like be what do you say? Out of it. Be out of this area. I think it's our plot or something. Bro, this one is amazing. What? Oh, lighting, bro. They did the lighting thing. Bro, amazing, bro. No, wait. Shania said she was in the washroom. And then when she heard the scream, she was coming to the toilet. She went to Kahana. But when I asked Aditya, I asked her.
In backside, that boy is sitting right, Jain something.
Jatin.
Okay, sorry, Jatin. He's saying you're speaking so much, right? You're investigating it so much long way. He's saying how much he's talking. Say that.
What you asked, Jatin?
Jatin, I not asked.
Then?
Just I'm seeing when you're speaking for
Aryan.
Aryan. That time is saying backside.
What?
How much she's speaking?
I was speaking. Yeah.
We're supposed to speak. We are.
Now I feel guilty, bro. Now I feel embarrassed.
Why? No. Basically investigator.
No,
they want to
I
speak more.
Like no. See, when somebody says that you have to investigate, I go into that. You know that character. Like I am a detective and I actually want to be a detective. So they are in the character. Aditya was crying in front of me, so they were in the character. So I had to be in the character. They literally doing literal acting. I like
that reason I know something is there, right?
Hey bro, don't scare me, bro. Let's go. So the murder mystery was like the real case you can ever have, and the plot was like the characters were so good at acting. They should have gone to like Bollywood or acting classes, bro. Why are they in like this college? Now see, this college, before seeing and all, I was like, it's okay, not good from my college and all. But now, after seeing the acting, bro, I was like, oh, suspicious. Like, at first, we were like, but then now you said Shania, right? So, with Aditya, Shania was like, and No, still I don't think Shania is the one because I don't know.
I didn't. You.
Beach. So yeah. Unfortunately, I didn't won because it's my first challenge. I mean, first competition, can we say? So fine, not a big deal. This college didn't give me any prizes, so I hate this college. She is the winner for me and her and for the college. So I consider her as a winner and I'm going back home with that only. So she exactly.
We have participated. That is enough more than enough.
No, we participated. That is enough. But she was the winner. Exactly, she is winner for me.
Yeah.
First time in a bus. First time traveling for free. Because of her, she can handle anything. She's my junior, but she can handle anything. We are some sort of underground bus stand, bus stop, I don't know, but it's underground. It's cold here, so I like it because Bangalore is like heating right now. So yeah, let's see how much far I can go without paying money in the bus. Let's see. Even bus stands here have lifts.
What the hell? Was it opening?